Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your Bank of America mobile banking password. Let's get started. Launch the BOFA application on your mobile device. Once it opens up, you will see the main login screen. Simply tap on login, and here under login button, you will be able to find an option that says forgot user ID or password. Tap onto it. This option is for anyone who forgot their password, user ID, or both. To confirm that you are the owner of the account, the app will ask for the last digit of your Bank of America card or account number, your SSN number, or tax identification number. Enter both details carefully and then tap on Continue. Depending on your account, Bank of America may ask you to verify with a code sent to you on your phone or email. Confirm your identity with security questions. So follow the on-screen instruction to complete the verification. Once your ID is confirmed, you will be able to create a new password for your banking account. Make sure it's strong and secure. After that, save changes and then go back to login screen, and just like that, enter your user ID and then new password. Tap on login and you'll be back into your mobile banking account. That's it. That is how you can reset Bank of America mobile banking password in just a few seconds. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.